Hi, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. It's Tech Tip Friday. This week's tech tips: clean your desktops. Desktops sit there, they draw air in, so it brings dust along with it. No matter how much you clean your house, it's still gonna that PC will still catch dust and bring it on in and kind of deposit it inside the case. It's easy to do. Unhook everything and then take it outside. Take the side off because you don't want to do this in the house. It'll basically make a big old dusty mess. So take it outside, take the side off, and hit it with these are the fancy version of a leaf blower. This is $75. The leaf blowers are like $25 at Walmart, but they do the same thing. This is the civilized version. You can buy them on Amazon, but they're a little compressor that has the nozzle where you can direct the air and all that kind of good stuff, and they're good for getting dust and debris out of cases. If it's too much for you, we do offer the service here at Jets PC. It'd be 1 hour, $75. What we do is take the case, take the case apart or the PC apart, take both sides off, in other words, and then get in there with the duster, use a paintbrush, that kind of thing. Get all the dust and debris out of the PC, and especially concentrate on the fans and the fan on the CPU cooler as well. It helps a lot and keeps the computer running well, and you'll notice a little bit of a performance increase if it's been a couple years since you've done it, because the CPU temperatures will go down, so it'll run a little better. Feel free to bring it on by. We're here at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and our business hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for watching the Tech Tip, and thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Have a good morning.